Once upon a time, in a town not too far away, a young boy named Sam watched the story of Superman for the first time. His heart pounded with excitement, his eyes sparkled with wonder, and a dream was born. A dream to fly among the stars, to possess superpowers and to use those powers to help the people of his town, just like Superman. Sam dedicated himself to hard work, saving every penny he earned with the hope of buying a rocket that would take him to a special planet. One day, he became a wealthy man, his childhood dream still alive in his heart. When he had enough money, he bought a rocket and planned his journey to the red planet, Mars. Why Mars, you ask? Well, as Sam studied Superman's movies and comics, he observed that Superman always wore a suit of any color, but his emblem always remained red. He always had to keep a red cape with him. In fact, whenever he fired bullets from his eyes at his enemies, red laser beams emerged. This led Sam to assume that Superman must have derived his powers from a red planet. And that was Mars. Sam truly wanted to become a spectacular Superman. As the time came, he prepared for his journey on his rocket. He packed everything he needed, including a large amount of food. This journey was planned for 8 months, crossing the stars to reach Mars. When he finally arrived, he thought it would be a good idea to remove his helmet. He wanted to take in the amazing atmosphere. He thought he would be breathing in amazing powers from this planet that would transform him into the superhero he so desperately wanted to be. Unfortunately, this was not such a good idea. As soon as he removed his helmet and took a breath, he inhaled the poisonous dust in the air, which immediately began to react with his body. The truth is, there was extreme radiation present, and it was also dangerously cold, neither of which helped the situation. His body couldn't handle everything that was happening to him, so he collapsed. The moral of the story: always do thorough research before starting a project.